Gorillas are the largest living primates and are part of the genus Gorilla. They are known for their strength, intelligence, and complex social structures. Gorillas inhabit the tropical and subtropical forests of Central Africa and are closely related to humans, sharing about 98% of their DNA with us. There are two species of gorillas, the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla, each with its own subspecies. Gorillas are characterized by their massive build, with males being significantly larger than females. Adult male gorillas can weigh between 300 to 500 pounds and stand up to 6 feet tall when on their hind legs. Females are generally smaller, weighing between 150 to 250 pounds. Male gorillas develop a patch of silver hair on their back as they mature, earning them the name Silverback. This silver hair signifies the male's dominance within the group. Gorillas have long, muscular arms, which they use for knuckle walking, a form of movement where they walk on the knuckles of their hands. This, combined with their broad chest and thick neck, gives them a powerful appearance. Despite their size and strength, gorillas are generally peaceful animals. Gorillas are found in forests and mountains in parts of Central Africa. Eastern gorillas live in the mountain and lowland forests of Rwanda, Uganda, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, while western gorillas inhabit the lowland rainforests of West Central Africa, including Gabon, Cameroon, and the Republic of Congo. Mountain gorillas, a subspecies of the eastern gorilla, are specifically adapted to living in high-altitude environments where temperatures can drop significantly. Gorillas are predominantly herbivores, feeding on a variety of plants, leaves, fruits, bark, and stems. They are particularly fond of bamboo and other fibrous vegetation. Occasionally, they may eat small insects like termites or ants, but animal protein makes up a very small portion of their diet. Gorillas spend much of their day foraging and eating, consuming up to 40 pounds of vegetation daily. Their large, strong jaws and teeth are well adapted to chewing tough plant materials, allowing them to digest the fibrous food they rely on. Gorillas live in groups called troops or bands, usually led by a dominant silverback male. A typical troop consists of one silverback, several females, and their offspring, although larger troops may include more than one silverback. The silverback is responsible for protecting the group, making decisions about where to forage, and resolving disputes. Within the troop, gorillas have complex social behaviors. They are highly communicative, using a variety of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language to convey emotions and intentions. Gorillas can grunt, hoot, and roar, depending on the situation. Grooming is also a crucial part of their social bonding, strengthening relationships within the group. While gorillas are mostly gentle, silverbacks will display aggression when their group is threatened. This includes chest beating, roaring, and even charging at perceived threats to scare them away. However, actual physical confrontation is rare. Gorillas are highly intelligent animals, known for their problem-solving abilities and use of tools. Studies have shown that gorillas can use sticks to gauge the depth of water and even create rudimentary shelters in the wild. Their cognitive abilities are comparable to other great apes like chimpanzees and orangutans. Gorillas are also capable of learning sign language. The famous gorilla Coco, who was taught American Sign Language, demonstrated an understanding of over 1,000 signs and could communicate complex emotions and thoughts, providing deep insights into the emotional and intellectual capacity of these animals. Female gorillas give birth to a single infant after a gestation period of about 8.5 months. Infant gorillas are very dependent on their mothers for the first few years of life, clinging to their mother's back or chest for transport. Mothers are highly nurturing and protective of their young, and other members of the troop often show interest in the infants, helping care for them. Gorillas mature slowly, with juveniles staying with their mothers for about 3 to 4 years. Females reach sexual maturity at around 10 years, while males become fully mature around 12 to 15 years. A silverback may lead a troop for several decades, with gorillas in the wild living up to 40 years. Despite their strength and adaptability, gorillas face serious threats, primarily from habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Their forest habitats are being destroyed by logging, agriculture, and mining, pushing gorillas into smaller, fragmented populations. Additionally, gorillas are hunted for bushmeat, and their infants are sometimes captured for the illegal pet trade. Diseases, particularly Ebola, have also devastated gorilla populations, especially in the western gorilla species. Human encroachment increases the risk of disease transmission between humans and gorillas, further endangering these animals. Gorillas are majestic, intelligent, and highly social animals that play an essential role in their ecosystems. Despite their strength and resilience, they are vulnerable to human activities, making conservation efforts critical for their survival. Protecting gorillas not only safeguards these remarkable primates, but also helps preserve the biodiversity and health of the tropical forests they call home.